All-in Cloud make your business easier. The All-in Cloud represents Dahua's commitment to providing comprehensive cloud services. Compared with traditional CCTV network solution providers, Dahua gives you an integrated solution that simultaneously deploys CCTV and IT networks, reducing network deployment costs and improving maintenance efficiency. Setting up your network is easy and can be done quickly. The Dahua Cloud Network Solution provides highly efficient maintenance and addresses your most concerning safety needs. The Dahua Cloud Network Solution provides multiple options. You can scan the QR code on the device to add it via the Dueling Care application or single batch device import via the web platform. Furthermore, you can scan the QR code of the controller. It will automatically connect all discovered network devices to the cloud network.
The Dahua Cloud Network Solution can automatically display all products in the topology. You can view all device information, including connecting status, device name, download and upload speed, and IP and MAC address. It's also compatible with third-party devices. When you are not around the device, you can directly view all network connections and device information through Dueling Care on your mobile app or web page. It also supports password-free jumps to the device web to realize the operation configuration or more advanced functions. The Dahua Cloud Network Solution supports one-click to check all devices on your seat and provides professional guidance for troubleshooting. It also supports real-time alarm to ensure customers can be informed in time if any emergencies arise. In addition, installers can deliver the device to the end user and accept the interesting device from the end user.
The Dahua Cloud Network Solution focuses on security deeply. Each device has a unique encryption key to access Dueling Care and realize data transmission. During the transmission process, the Dahua Cloud Network Solution utilizes multiple encryption algorithms to ensure transmission security. The Dahua Cloud Network Solution allows all types of Dahua products to connect to Dueling Care, including cameras, recorders, switches, access points, alarm systems, intercoms, and access control systems. Users can easily configure and monitor their network system remotely and quickly deploy and maintain equipment. The Dahua Cloud Network Solution integrates CCTV with the IT network together to provide a unified network solution for you.